Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the brand new Chatbox add-on for the Cleanly plugin, a super simple tool that makes communication between customers, staff, and admins much smoother. Once you install and activate it, you'll see a new Chatbox menu in your dashboard. Let's take a quick look. First up, join staff to chat. Turn this on, and staff automatically join conversations when a customer starts a chat about their booking. It keeps communication clear for everyone. Next, chat auto-delete. Here you can choose how long to keep chat history, from never, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 2 months, or 6 months. Great for privacy and reducing your storage. Display name in Chatbox lets you decide if customers see staff or admin names. Just toggle it on or off. Chat history is where admins can view all conversations and respond to them. On the left, you will see all orders with messages. Click one, and the full chat thread appears on the right. Messages from customers, staff, and admins, all neatly organized with timestamps. Incoming messages are on the left, admin replies on the right, so it's easy to see who said what. At the bottom, there's the chat input section and a send button. Admins can reply right here, and the message instantly appears in the chat thread. On the user or staff side, in their orders menu, they'll see a chat box for each order. Clicking the button opens the chat so they can send a message to the admin. And on the admin side, the admin can see and respond to that message directly. And that's it. The Cleanly Chatbox add-on is simple, flexible, and helps you streamline communication, all without leaving your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using the Chatbox add-on.